Well, look at this. She's the first dog to ever be in the channel. Ah, she already problem solved the whole wall. She realizes that she's trapped. She's at our mercy. But look, she's the first dog to be inside the fish channel. That's a good Britta. It's a good girl. It's a good girl. Oh yeah, look at you. How are you gonna get out of there, baby? Huh? Look at you. Hey, stop. You're not going into that dark abyss down there. That's got some weirdness to it. Only I can go in there. Oh, wait. Heck no, don't go in there. Go ahead. That's the end of your journey. Ready to stop. Please pick her up and get her out of there. It goes down into the abyss. Yeah, there's a big hole. Beyond that hole, inside that hole, there's another hole, like a mine shaft. Here, we'll show.
Just keeps going down.
Goes way down, huh?
Yeah.
Hey, you made it out, Britta. Yeah.